Alright, I'm gonna show this Pentax K1000 that I have in hand. So this is the condition of the unit. Alright. Sadly, the shutter is stuck, so I can't show you much. Yeah, alright, there you go. Let me see if I can show more of the insides. Alright. Well, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much, everyone, for joining by. If you would like to buy this unit for repair, you can let me know. I can send it to you. And before you leave, I want to remind you that the Lord Jesus Christ, who gave his life to be crucified for all of us, and also was resurrected, he loves you and he heals, and so he forgives all of your sin. Thank you everyone for joining by. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.